Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by activating the Visa gift card and confirming the exact dollar balance. This prevents declines mid-purchase. Next, if the issuer offers online registration, enter a billing name and ZIP that match a real address, because Nintendo and retailers validate that info. Once done, keep the card number, expiration date, CVV, and activation receipt visible. You'll need them immediately when checking out to buy a Nintendo eShop code or funds. You now buy a Nintendo eShop code from a trusted online store that accepts prepaid Visa cards. This step converts the card balance into Switch credit. During checkout, choose Digital Nintendo eShop card, enter the amount you need, then pay with the Visa gift card. Enter card number, expiration, CVV, and the exact billing name and ZIP you registered. Once paid, the retailer emails a digital code. Copy it immediately, because you'll redeem it on your Nintendo account. Redeem the emailed Nintendo eShop code on your Switch or at account. Nintendo.com, open Nintendo eShop, choose Redeem Code, and type it in. If the code doesn't work, make sure the Visa card was fully activated, that you didn't overspend the balance, and that billing ZIP/name matched at checkout. Those are the common failure points. If problems persist, contact the retailer with your purchase receipt first, then the card issuer. Keep screenshots and timestamps to speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.